over the airplane.
How are you gonna make it? Wow! It's an airplane airplane. It's the favorite airplane. They mean airplane. Since you go, since you go, since you go, since you go.
Cyrus, what is Uncle Lee doing?
Making an airplane! Flying the airplane.
Are you excited?
Yes! 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 So cool. I'm going to put a little bit on the yellow.
What is that you're holding?
What?
What is that you're holding?
Play-Doh?
What shape is it?
Circle?
No, remember what I told you it was?
What?
A cylinder.
A cylinder.
And remember we made cylinders?
Yeah.
What did we do? How did you make a cylinder?
You roll a ball around.
And then what did you do after you rolled a ball?
It becomes a cylinder.
And then you rolled it back and forth?
And then you go,
Whoops.
well, but then you go
Tap, tap, tap.
tap.
And you made how many cylinders?
What?
How many cylinders did you make?
3.
What colors?
White, yellow, and blue.
What did you do with the white one and the blue one?
I made a snow car.
A snow car?
Yes.
Let's see. Show me what you did. Did it snow on top of the car?
Yeah, oh, the whole car.
Just like whose car?
Mama and Papa.
Yeah. Did you see that in the picture?
Yeah. The whole car was snow. I can't wait to see Lola Corolla when she gets back, and she might still be snow.
You think there might be snow on it when they get back?
Yeah.
You think
Is that
maybe?
how you make it?
Do you think maybe the snow will melt before they get back?
No.
Well, it's pretty warm here. It's sunny and warm here, and the sun melts the snow.
Oh.
So maybe there won't be any snow left on the car.
Yeah, but there is still snow on this vehicle.
Yeah, on
when
that
it's
one.
summer.
On that one, on the table, there's still snow. There's Play-Doh snow.
Yeah. That's why it's not coming out, because it's not summer inside. I'm
Yeah,
just pretending.
yeah, just pretending.
Whoa.
He's making a pretty
That's
fancy
cool.
airplane.
How are you going to make it?
Oh, I don't know. We're just making.
Cyrus, do you think that airplane's gonna fly?
No.
Yes.
He's
Yes. Whispering.
whispering.
Can you hear it?
Yes.
She can hear you.
Shh. Not supposed to let her know. You can hear me too. Shh.
That's a funny looking airplane. Did you ever see an airplane like that?
Like that? The upside down?
That looks like an airplane from,
Spaceship?
yeah,
Space shuttle.
It's like a space.
that's a space shuttle.
It's a space shuttle?
Oh,
What? It doesn't fly.
Doesn't fly.
What?
Try again. Let me see. That's
You tell. Don't
Did you see it?
Let me try to fly back.
Whoa.
Wow! Your turn.
Kind of a funny flying plane, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, I'll try to catch it.
Oops. Gotta hang on to it.
Whoa! Did it just see that?
Turned to the right, didn't it?
Yeah.
Throw it up just a little bit.
Wow, that was great. Let me try to fly it this way.
Don't
It
fly.
flies better.
It flies better backwards, huh?
Okay.
No.
Now,
So-
let's set it. Let's try to get it going fast.
Try making another plane that flies easier.
Wait, let's do that.
On the floor.
By the plants, Cyrus.
It disappeared. It went right behind. Could you make it another airplane? You want to make a better airplane?
We'll make one that flies easier.
Cyrus?
Look at, he's gonna make another one. Yeah, it's gonna be great. I really like this one.
Cyrus? Cyrus? Will you pick those towels up for me, please?
What?
Will you pick the towels up for me, please?
Pick.
Thank you. Do we need to blow your nose again?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, that one's gonna be great.
This is going to be different.
It's gonna be a race. Ooh, 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 wow. You're making it good. You're making it airplane good.
Yeah.
What?
You don't make airplanes at school?
I do. Wow. Oh, God. Whoa. That's the one that Papa made.
Yeah.
Yeah, my Papa.
That's good. This is an easy plane that flies well.
Wow. Let's try. I'm going to try it first of all. But it's going to be a great plane. But does it have any wings? Oh, can I try? Okay, I'm going to try it. Okay.
Ooh, that one went far.
Ah, it went far. Here it comes. Wow! Did it just see that?
I did.
Your turn. I'm gonna stand. Ah! I'm ready.
You ready?
Whoa!
Wow.
Wow!
That one went really far. Whoop.
Okay, I'm gonna try again. Okay, I'm gonna let you try.
Okay.
Whoa! Did it just see that?
I'm gonna have to send this to Hannah.
You go. Uh-oh.
Wow!
Gonna have to fix the wings on that one again. Spiral.
I want to make Lee.
Yep.
Uncle Lee.
Uncle Lee, could you make more planes? What?
I guess if we had more paper.
Oh, we need to go buy
More
copy paper.
under there.
We need to stop by.
This one.
Should we go to Costco? Should we go get a box of paper? It's probably cheaper than going to Office Depot. Cyrus. Cyrus. Sai. Say hi to Mama and Papa. I'm going to send them this video.
Okay.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say have fun in the snow.
Have fun in the snow.
Say bring me home some snow.
Bring me home some snow.
Put it in the trunk and keep it cold for me.
Put it in the truck and please keep it cold for me.
Do you think that'll work?
Yeah.
Or do you think it's going to melt?
I think it's gonna melt.
Yeah, it's probably going to melt, huh?
Tell them to pack up a real hard snowball. It'll make it.
A pack of a hard snowball? Then it'll keep it from melting?
You will?
And then it'll stay a snow guard?
Yeah.
Oh, God! Oh, I want to. Could you make another airplane?
Okay, say bye, Mama. Bye, Papa.
Bye, Mama. Bye, Papa.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Blow 'em a kiss.